Welcome to today's market analysis for September 26, 2025. Get ready for a deep dive into the candlestick signals that are shaping today's trading landscape. We're about to uncover the hidden messages in the charts that could make or break your investment strategy. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a roller coaster ride through the financial markets. Our market snapshot reveals a day of heightened volatility across large-cap indices. The S&P 500 displayed a mix of bullish and bearish candlestick structures on intraday timeframes, keeping traders on their toes. After a week of steady declines, we saw the Dow Jones and broader stock market trim recent losses, signaling indecision among investors and potential positioning for a reversal or consolidation. Let's zoom in on the candlestick structure that dominated today's trading session. Majority of actionable patterns appeared on the 15-minute and 30-minute charts, which revealed multiple bearish engulfing and 3 outside down patterns across major sectors. These multi-candle setups on short-duration timeframes are highly valued for their sensitivity to intraday momentum shifts. Interestingly, several bullish hammer patterns emerged in late trading, indicating possible short-term support. The most common formation by occurrence was the bearish engulfing pattern, particularly in cyclical sectors. Now, let's break down the technical interpretation of these patterns. The 15-minute and 30-minute candlesticks captured both sharp intraday breakdowns and late-day reversals. We observed oversold RSI readings, dipping below 30 and expanding Bollinger Bands in certain tech and industrial stocks. This signaled heightened selling pressure, followed by modest buying at session lows, pointing to uncertainty and possible short-term bounce potential. Key levels were frequently tested throughout the day, with support zones holding multiple times, specifically in the $0.510 to $0.512 range in high momentum names. Moving on to our sector and industry highlights, let's start with technology. On the 30-minute time frame, we saw a completed bearish engulfing pattern at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, followed by a bullish hammer by late afternoon. This suggests volatile swings and indecision in the sector. Technology remains mildly overvalued relative to historic norms, dominated by large-cap software stocks and semiconductors. The sector saw a market capitalization change of $42 billion, with a 5.6% increase. In the aerospace and defense sector, Carpenter Technology topped the industry on capitalization, surging an impressive 8.28% after strong earnings. The sector displayed several bullish candlestick formations on the 1-hour chart, indicating strong sentiment and short-term momentum. Aerospace and defense is currently considered undervalued, with Carpenter Technology leading mid-cap gains. The sector experienced a 4.2% increase, translating to a market capitalization change of $31 billion. The metals and mining sector caught our attention, with silver miners, such as First Majestic, seeing bullish engulfing candles on both the 15-minute and daily charts. This sector displayed the highest industry count of bullish candlestick patterns by total capitalization, pointing to broad-based accumulation amid rising commodity prices. The overall sector market cap moved positively within the day, reflecting ongoing demand in core commodities and industrial resources. We saw a 3.5% increase, resulting in a market capitalization change of $26 billion. Financials and industrial sectors showed several 15-minute bearish continuation patterns, signaling sector caution and further range-bound activity, with financials seeing a 2.1% increase and a market capitalization change of $18 billion, while industrials posted a 1.8% increase and a $15 billion change in market cap. Let's take a closer look at the most frequently appearing candlestick patterns across sectors. The bearish engulfing pattern dominated the 30-minute charts of major indices. This pattern forms when a small bullish candle is followed by a larger bearish candle that completely engulfs the previous one, signaling a potential trend reversal. In the metals and mining sector, we saw numerous bullish engulfing patterns, particularly in silver miners like First Majestic. This pattern occurs when a small bearish candle is followed by a larger bullish one, indicating a possible uptrend. The sector with the highest bullish pattern count by capitalization was metals and mining, led by First Majestic Ag. On the flip side, cyclical industrials showed the most dominant bearish setups, particularly in larger cap names. The undervalued sector of the day was aerospace and defense, driven by mid-cap player Carpenter Technology, the market cap between $4 and $6 billion. As we assess the overall sentiment and outlook, market breadth remains neutral to slightly bearish. However, strong recovery patterns in select industries suggest resilience. Technical reversals are likely in sectors showing bullish engulfing and hammer patterns on short-duration charts. We anticipate continued volatility as traders react to macroeconomic updates and sector rotation trends. To summarize today's findings, let's review our key observations. The technology sector formed a bullish continuation candlestick, which is a positive pattern suggesting that the current uptrend is likely to continue. This pattern indicates that buyers are still in control and are pushing prices higher. The sector has shown strong momentum for quite some time, and it's possible that the positive trend will continue in the near future with the potential for new highs. In the basic materials sector, which includes metals and mining, we observed moderate growth. Selected material stock leaders like Newmont and Agnico Eagle Mines posted strong gains. A bullish engulfing pattern formed on Wednesday, indicating a potential reversal of the previous downtrend. This pattern occurs when a small red candle is followed by a larger green candle that completely engulfs the previous day's trading range, signaling a shift from bearish to bullish sentiment. As we conclude our analysis for September 26, 2025, intraday candlestick signals highlight both caution and strategic accumulation. Bearish engulfing formations dominated the 15 to 30-minute charts of major indices and cyclical sectors, indicating persistent selling pressure. However, metals and mining led in bullish formation count, while aerospace and defense stood out as the leading undervalued industry by capitalization, positioned for further upside as technical conditions improve. For traders and investors, continued vigilance on short-duration candlestick developments is urged for timely trading opportunities in the coming sessions. Pay close attention to the technology sector, which has shown resilience and potential for new highs. Keep an eye on basic materials, particularly metals and mining stocks, as they display promising bullish patterns. Remember, successful trading requires a combination of technical analysis, fundamental research, and risk management. Always conduct your own due diligence and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Stay tuned for our next market update, where we'll continue to unravel the mysteries of the financial markets through the lens of candlestick analysis. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out. We will see you back here tomorrow. Before you go, please leave a comment, smash that like. The information presented in this report is intended solely for entertainment and informational purposes, and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice. All opinions, analysis, and statements expressed herein are personal views and are not recommendations to buy, sell, or hold any securities or assets. Market data and any related commentary are provided as is and may not be accurate, complete, or up to date. Neither the author nor the publisher assumes any liability for financial losses, damages, or other consequences resulting from actions taken based on the information contained in this content. Please consult with a qualified financial advisor or conduct your own independent research before making any investment decisions. Investing in financial markets involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. This content is purely for entertainment purposes and should not be relied upon for any financial decisions.